Hi, I'm Lauren, and I wanted to show you this stuff. I have an extra one here, and this is the one I use all the time, but I never want to run out. So this is Clinique's, what is it called? All About Eye Serum. I've been using this probably 15 years at least. To me, it's the equivalent of wiping egg whites under your skin or around your mouth or whatever. You know how egg whites will dry out and tighten your skin like a mask? This stuff does the same thing. I've been using Clinique stuff for 30 years, and I keep going back to it because, number one, they're fragrance free. There's not a lot of chemicals. There's a lot of plants. But their products just really take care of me. I have super sensitive skin, and so to be able to have several products that I use and not be afraid of rashes or rosacea, those kinds of things, this stuff is a lifesaver. When I get up in the morning and I've got bags under my eyes and big creases around my mouth, I use this and it just smooths it all out like a little mask. It's just great. So I hope this helps. This, again, is Clinique's All About Eyes Serum. So I tend to put it on the eyelids, under my eyes, down these creases, and around my mouth too. And a tip, as it dries, I give myself a little smile and I lift my eyebrows just a little bit so that as it dries, the skin can be a little more taut in those areas. Good tip, huh? Okay, and I'm older than most of you, so it's good to start things like this when you're young. I hope this helps. Okay, Clinique. Thanks.